So, good morning, all the students of 8th standard. Yesterday, we saw our first lesson of history, that is sources of history. There, in the sources of history, we saw the material sources. In that, we saw some information about the material or the places, old places or the buildings there, which turn in the museums or the library. Next, there is a do you know in that museum and history. This point is there. For the study of history, various objects, painting, photographs, and such other things are preserved in a museum. Museum is actually what there. To study, for the further study, for the deep study in history, there certain objects are there, various paintings are there, photographs are there, books are there. They preserve as it is in a museum there. For what purpose? To study, to deep study in a history there. Where they preserve, that place is called as a museum at the Aga Khan Palace in Pune. For example, if you want to see then Aga Khan Palace, it is in Pune. We can see different objects, documents giving information about the life of Mahatma Gandhi. In the Pune's, what are the museum is there? Aga Khan Palace. In that museum, number of the books are there, copies are there, textbook, photograph, pictures are there, which gives information about Mahatma Gandhi's life. Next, the statue and the memorial. Statues or the memorial, the next point. During the pre-independence and post-independence period, memorial of many personalities were created in the form of statues. Memorial of the number of the personalities, it's created in the form of the statue. That during the pre-independence or the post-independence period, memorials were there. Many memorials were created in the museum, that in the form of statues. The various statues provide information about the contemporary rulers and eminent personalities. Number of the statues are there. They give us information about the ruler or the famous personality from our country. Number of the statues are there. That statue gives information about the specific person or the personality. For example, if you see the Prime Minister's Modi statue there, it gives information about the Prime Ministers of our country there. The display plaque on the statue gives us information about the full name of the persons, concerned person. Name is there on the statue there, or the below that it gives information about the person's lifestyle or the autobiography of the persons. In brief informations we get about the persons, when he was born, when he died, what work he did, which award he got. That informations we get through that name plate there. Next, there is we get the person's information just as the statue of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. Statue is there of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. Then we get the information about the statues about the Mahatma Jyotirao Phule or the Lokmanya Tilak, for example, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's information. So there are memorials which erected in the memory of various events, which gives information. Number of the memorials are there. That memorials gives us information about different persons or the different personalities, their information. So we get through the memorials there. So we get the information about the concerned event, period, people related to the event, etc. So we get the information about the person, the period, or the period, etc. That we get that. For example, Hutatma Smarak at various places. If we say then Hutatma Smarak is there at various places, that information also we get. If you go in front of the Nagar Parishad, Hutatma Smarak is there. So trace out such of the statues or the memorials in our neighboring or the surrounding areas and collect the information about the famous personalities, on which personalities the statue or the image is there on that memorial. Next, the written sources. The following aspects are included in the written sources in the modern Indian history. The number of the aspects are there. Some of the aspects we will see in the modern Indian history. Example of written sources: correspondence is there, periodicals is there, foreign account is there, factory record is there, newspapers, autobiographies, biographies or books. So these are the example of written sources: correspondence, foreign accounts, newspapers, biographies, books, autobiographies, factory records and periodicals. These are some of the example of written sources. So for today it is sufficient. When you come tomorrow, we will see the next one point. So before to leave, make one chart, example of the material sources and example of a return sources that you write in a chart. For example, means by drawing the line return sources or the material sources, in this way you make a chart, and that after writing send me the photocopy of that on my number. Okay, thank you.